The 5 habits that will transform your financial future. Do you find yourself stuck in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, and not making any progress towards your financial goals? Then it is time for a change. Habit 1. Budgeting. The first habit is creating and sticking to a budget. Realize that it is needed to know where your money is going in order to take control of it. So, track your expenses, set spending limits, and plan for the future. Habit 2. Building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having that financial cushion will give you peace of mind. It will prevent you from going further into debt when unexpected expenses come up. Habit 3. Investing. Your money can work for you and grow over time. Even with a modest income, start investing a small portion regularly. Habit 4. Living below your means. Investing is crucial for long-term financial success. You don't have to keep up with the latest trends or have the fanciest possessions. Cutting unnecessary expenses allow you to save more and invest more in your future. Habit 5. Continuous learning. Make it a habit to educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend workshops. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about your money. Make sure this motivates you to take control of your finances and build a better future. And remember that your financial future is in your hands. Take care and make those positive changes today.